Hello guys! Today we will learn how we create modern pyramid buildings. First of all, we add a cube and we add a loop as horizontal. And then, delete for verticals on the bottom of cube. And select top face, apply bevel by pressing Ctrl and B together. Add a few loop to every faces by pressing Ctrl and R together. And copy the pyramid with Shift and D. First pyramid for facade, the other pyramid for glass. Choose the facade pyramid and add modifier. Apply wireframe modifier. Choose glass pyramid and add a material. Change blend mode. Select alpha blend. Open screen space reflections. Open shading. Change transmission and roughness. Add transparent. Mix shader, Fresnel and color ramp. Create a plane and apply a few subdivide. And then press U and select Unwrap. Again press U and select Cube Projection. We can add texture by pressing Ctrl Shift and T. You can download textures from Polyheaven for free. Now we can add camera. After adding, press N and select View. Now we will change HDR. Select World and choose Environment Texture. You can download HDR from Google for free. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.